We live in the video experience era. The use of video for news and entertainment is exploding, along with many other video experiences that augment learning, working, communicating, shopping, even talking with our doctors. Video is everywhere, but have you ever wondered what it takes to power a video experience? What are the challenges organizations must overcome? Kaltura, the world's leading video technology company, provides innovative live and on-demand video solutions. We power video experiences from the moment videos are created to the moment that they are viewed, and beyond. Thousands of organizations rely on Kaltura's technology, services, and expertise to power value-creating video experiences that touch hundreds of millions of viewers every day. We offer turnkey video software solutions for web, mobile, TVs, and other connected devices, and a flexible, API-based platform that enables development of custom video solutions that can be deployed on the Kaltura cloud, on third-party clouds, or on-premise. Media companies use Kaltura to deliver engaging TV-grade experiences that increase reach and grow monetization through advertising, subscriptions, and transactions. Our enterprise solutions allow organizations to work smarter, boosting sales, invigorating marketing, and improving internal communications, learning, and productivity. In education, Kaltura enables leading academic institutions to leverage the power of video for teaching and learning, resulting in improved learning results and better student retention. Service providers use Kaltura's multi-tenant platform and off-the-shelf solutions to launch their own custom video services for both consumers and businesses. Kaltura's customers benefit from the widespread adoption of Kaltura's platform across the different industries, as features and capabilities that are developed for one industry are leveraged by others. Our values of openness, flexibility, and collaboration, as well as our open source projects, ensure ease of customization and interoperability with the entire video ecosystem. Our community of over 100,000 developers is rapidly extending our software's capabilities and driving unparalleled innovation. Harnessing the power of video is an imperative for any organization today. Together with Kaltura, organizations all around the world are leveraging the power of video, positioning themselves best for the video experience era. From webcasting and lecture capture, to corporate tubes and video portals, to the world's most innovative and advanced over-the-top TV solutions. Kaltura is powering video experiences across the globe, now and into the future.